Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming something different. I'm doing days in my nail room where I just take you through a couple days in the week. It's Thursday through Sunday and you guys get to see a little of what I do as a press-on artist. I work while my son is in school, so you're going to see there are some days where I don't get as much done as I wish I could. This day, for example, it was my husband's birthday, so I did start working an hour later because I had breakfast with him. But we're just starting with the first order of the day. This customer ordered one set. They ordered this nail set I'll put on the screen. And here I am just making it. I'm not going to go into too much details because this isn't a tutorial video. Again, I'm just showing you like moments as a press-on artist. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. Just doing some simple Frenchies. Also, sorry for it being a little out of focus. Like I said in my last video, I am getting back on YouTube, but I'm a little rusty. A lot of the times I forget I'm recording. So I'm just so into the nail set that I forget to look at the camera and make sure it's in focus, but we're working on it. Right here, I didn't show it, but I actually put blooming gel down, and that is why it's giving that effect where it's spreading and looking more like a stone. And here I am airbrushing. The secret to this airbrush when you want to do like a color ombre is laying down white first. So here I am going in with white, and then I go back in with this not lime green, it's more like an olive green color, and there's the finished set. So I have about 2 hours before I have to go pick up my son. So right now I'm gonna prep some orders. What I mean by prepping orders is I'm gonna add the nude base. I did do it for some of them. So I need to finish those and all these right here. I'm basically just gonna be laying down the nude base so that I can get through the orders quicker. All I have to do is add the gel nail polish. So those are ready. That one, Michaela's, I'm gonna box so I can ship it out tomorrow. And yeah, these are all my current orders. The nude base can sit here for days and it won't wrinkle, it won't do anything. All I will say is it will sometimes get like hair, little particles on it, so I do have to go in and wipe it with alcohol before I start adding all the gel polish and all that. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now, and I'll probably finish by the time I have to go get my son. Also, some of these are missing nails, like right here. That's missing nails, and right there because I ran out of them, but I've already gone to the nail supply store and got some more replacements, so I'll be putting those on it. I'll show you the end result right now. All right, I am now all done. Here are all the orders prepped. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I had to cuss my husband out real quick for that, but here they are all finished. Taking a break to show you guys what I got from Amazon. I got some gloves. I'm wearing a glove because my nails are crazy right now. I'm gonna be doing them later, so I'm covering my nails for right now, but I got some gloves so I can practice Gel X on myself. I got some dental bibs. This is what I work on so I don't get any gel polish on my table. I got, what is this? I got some nail polish quick gel remover. This is for my nails because I have a gel manicure on right now. And I prepped my nails a little too well. It is not coming off, so I'm using this. I got some jewels for one of my sets you guys are gonna see me make tomorrow. And then I got some more matte top coat. This is my favorite brand, Double Rhythm. And then I just got some boxes. So this is what they look like. They are 7x5x2. I thought I was gonna get my pop-off glue. today, so that kind of sucks. So maybe I won't be doing my nails today, but I'm gonna do something because they look crazy. All right, so here I'm working on replacement nails. This customer ordered stiletto for the first time, and they ended up being a little too narrow for her nails, so she needed new thumbs and middle fingers, I believe. So yeah, I'm just making those right now after she emailed me about that. And I forgot to take a final picture, or I thought I did, but I cannot find it. So yeah, I'm just gonna put on the screen what the set looked like, and just, yeah, the middle, bless you baby, the middle and the thumbnail is what she needed replacements for.
Give it your consent for the devil to take a hold of your soul and drink. But this ain't gonna go over well. I can feel it in my soul, in my body, and in my spirit. Oh, come on, y'all. Hey. You is, you already. Make it right up. Okay. You guys out 40 or what? Because I can fix that around now.
What's he say? I appreciate something.
Nothing. You know what to give it the other. That's like, they can follow me around now, huh? No. Serious, everybody.
Is it big? Those?
Yeah. Hey, you have to leave in that one room.
That's all we got done on Thursday. Here's Friday. I'm going to be working on the same design but in 2 separate orders. These 2 customers ordered my jewel set. It's called Say You Will, and it's very simple but very time consuming. So I do pick out all the jewels before I actually put them on the nails. Here they are picked out for each set. This really helps with just time management. And working on 2 orders at the same time also helps me get through them quicker. I'm going to do it again. You're going to see here, I'm going to be working on 3 at the same time, which is kind of bold of me. Oh, there's the 2 orders that I finished. We love that. Here's the 3 sets. It's easy to know whose is who because they're all different shapes. We have long stiletto, long square, and long coffin. And here I am. I don't know what kind of transition I was trying to do here, but my camera kept dying, so I couldn't film the design on this set. Getting 5 sets done in one day was definitely a win. So here we are on Saturday. As you can see, my son is in the background. He is not at school. So we were going to see how much work we were able to get done. Here are all the sets I've finished so far. Thursday and Friday, we definitely got a ways to go. I did work on this one set. I ended up doing short form content, so you can see this tutorial on my shorts or on TikTok. Okay, you need to stop it.
Okay, Mama.
Okay, thank you. Love you.
Hiya.
Today, just like Friday, I am working on 2 sets at the same time. It's the same design, just 2 separate orders. I'm going to be doing that trendy cake icing set. Here is the mold I'm using. I got it off of AliExpress. You can find it there. And yeah, I also have a video on this on all my social media platforms if you want like a more in-depth. I love it so much, and I can't wait to make more sets that look like little cakes. Now it did tear just a little bit, as you can see right there when I was taking it out, but once you glue it down, it like reconnects and it's perfectly fine. So we had no issues. There it is. So this is as far as I got. I was able to make all the icing piping things for the nails, but my son is bored and he keeps telling me he's bored every 3 minutes, so I'm just gonna take that as a sign. I'm done in here for today. I might come back in here later when he's in bed, maybe tonight, but that's as far as I got. But these are very time consuming, so I'm actually happy I got this far. I'm okay with that. Today I'm beginning my day working on that cake set, so I'm just laying down the Frenchies for the set. There's Frenchies on all the nails except for the ring finger.
Wanted to enjoy her personality.
On the index nails of all the sets, there are a pair of cherries, and then I added some rhinestone gel on top of the cherry so it gives more of a 3D effect. There it is. And then I'm just gluing down all the icing that I made on Saturday night. And top coating it with my all-time favorite top coat, Koopa. And then I'm working on this one set. Only one person ordered this, so I'm just making one set. But it is my set, You Are Very Cute. I used a pink gel from Nails and Blinks, and then white and red from Valentino Beauty Pure. And there are all the sets we worked on in this video. So we got through 6 orders. Love that. And there they are, all boxed up, ready to be packed up on Monday morning. So let's get into Monday morning.
So I'm saying we could just take the jet whenever. Exactly. So I'm like,
Right, it's no big deal for you.
yeah. So I just.
So my Zoom is ready, and I'm gonna get my Zoom over.
My father was born
It's not true, she's lying.
in a miracle,
Okay.
but she used him.
I have a problem with your son and you know it, but it's not. What do you say now? You understand that?
Oh, no, you came up with this big
Time for that, sorry.
no, I'm sorry. You took advantage of my aunt to stay away from you.
Elizabeth, she says yes with Joshua, and I believe anything flirting is like just no. This is the last question. By the time the test determined that was a lie, so we couldn't get past any. We wanted to give you these, but we couldn't. Can we see? Of course. Now you're so I wanted to get through all of those.
She don't wanna take the test.
So let me ask you, even though you're not hooked up, this young lady that I think you need to see up close. Do you mind, Joshua? Can you come over and stand here? Spicy J will let you know where to stand. Go. There you go. Turn around, Joshua. Look at the. What does that look like? I mean, just go right into it. Yeah. You see? Come here.
How recent was this?
Ivan, how long ago was this? 8 days ago. Is that you?
Yes, it's me.
And that looks like you appear to be kissing this gentleman right here, right?
It doesn't matter. It's not serious.
It's not serious. This is a very long relationship. Intimate, dog. Intimate. Look at this. Still.
I did have an Amazon package come in this day. I got 2 products from Makar. I got the Peel It Off base coat because I want to start practicing Gel X on myself, and I want to use this to take off the nails as soon as possible. And I also got solid nail glue or gel, but this is the gel I use to do like 3D flowers and all that. I would highly recommend this if you need one. Alright guys, here we are with orders. Let me get it to focus. So these are the 3 orders that were left from that batch that we just worked on and shipped out. And since starting this video, I've actually got, let me see, should I show you guys my Shopify? Let's see. Whatever, I'll show you guys. So that's my earnings for this month on Shopify. I've had 45 orders. Those are nail orders and also ebooks. Oh wait, I can't show you this because it says my customers' names. But since starting this vlog, I've got, all right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. This customer right here ordered twice, but it's the same customer, so I'm like merging the 2 orders together. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then last night I got an order. Let me go get some nail stands for that. All right, so I put some stands right here. This last order I got last night, she ordered 3 sets. So since starting this video on Thursday, I have got 7 orders. Here they are. I'm gonna go ahead and prep them like I did at the beginning of the video. I'm gonna put the nail tips. Let me see if I can show you. We'll go take this order, for example. Let me make sure I'm not showing any addresses. Okay, so for example, this is what it looks like on the Shopify app. So this is the newest one I have, this one right here. So they ordered Dream to Me, You Are Very Cute, and Olive, I Love You. Like, I love you, I love you, I love you, yeah. They ordered all their sets in medium square. One is in medium round, and all of them are size medium. So I'm basically gonna go ahead and put all the tips down. And then once all the tips are down for all of them, then I'm gonna go in with the nude base. So for Dream to Me, so for this set, Dream to Me, the whole set is nude. So I'm gonna go in nude with that whole set. For You Are Very Cute, all of them are nude except for the pinky. So I'm gonna go in with nude on all of them but the pinky. And then for All of You, we're gonna do just nude on the middle finger and the pinky finger. So yeah, I'm just using this order as an example, but we're gonna do it for all 7 of the new sets. And then we're gonna focus primarily on these 3 though, because they're prepped, ready to go, and they came in before them. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna end the vlog today because it's Monday or on Thursday, so it's like a full week, but I hope you guys have been enjoying it so far. All right, here's a little update. I put the tips down and now I'm gonna go in with the nude base. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am a shy girl, so this is as close to a vlog you guys will get, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. Let me know if you liked it so I can possibly do this a little bit more often. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I will get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.